Today I will explain the index match formula. Okay, so in this section we'll see how to get the values with the help of index match. Okay, so let's get into the video. So if we have the year data like codes, I want the MRPs. Okay, and we have the year main data, code and MRPs, right? So is equal index. What is array? Array means what we are looking for the data. Like I want MRPs. Okay, comma, next match, type the match. Okay, so here it is showing the lookup value. Lookup value means what we can match with that. Like we can match with that code, right? And lookup array, from where you want to get the details. That okay, comma, and here it is asking that exact match or greater than or like true or false. So I want to false. Exact match, bracket close, enter. See, control shift down, control shift down, control shift up, control D. So this is the best way to get the details with the help of index match. Okay, thanks for watching.